Hey, it's Paul with rackattack.com, here to show you the base roof rack option for the 2017 and beyond Ford F250 Super Duty. So this is the Thule WingBar Evo clamp base roof rack system. It uses the Evo clamp foot pack set of 4, the WingBar Evo load bars set of 2, and then the vehicle specific fitting kit, complete fitting kit, which includes 4 rubberized metal brackets and 4 rubber base pads. So let me go ahead and show you how that works with the foot pack. So here we have a single foot. I'll take off the cover. With the cover removed, I can insert the door frame bracket into the slot. When I press against, it'll snap into place. And then on the underside, we have the base plate here, and I'll just press the rubber into the base plate, just get that aligned properly, and then press around the perimeter. And then that's all there is to it for that portion of the assembly. Okay, next, let me show you the choices that you have with the WingBar Evo load bar. This is the black powder coat finish, and then this is the silver anodized finish. And so a little bit about the bar itself. This is extruded aluminum bar. It has a sophisticated box beam construction with a slot on the underside to hold the foot, and then a slot on the top side to accommodate certain track accessories. So let me go ahead and next show you how to install the foot onto the bar. And you'll notice behind here we have 2 buttons you can press against, 2 silver buttons. I'll press in on those, and that allows me to slide the foot onto the bar. Once I release, it holds its position there. Now there is a very specific position that the foot needs to be. It's called a scale number, and that scale number is in the manual that's included with the fit kit. And so that'll be sure that the foot is correctly spaced on the roof and that all these components line up properly as the engineers intend. Okay, so next, I'll go ahead and put the end cap on. Now this end cap has a nice feature where you just flip the end of it off to the side, giving you easy access into that track. And then the track has rubber inside, which is split down the middle, so there's no need for any cutting or splicing of this rubber to install and remove a compatible accessory. Okay, then we have our outer cover, but first I'll show you how this is tightened on. You do have a special tool that's included with the foot pack. The handle has a clutch mechanism built into it, set to a specific Newton meter. It's 3 Newton meter. As you tighten, when you get to the correct tension, it will click, indicating it's fully tightened. Okay, then you can put your cover on. And with that cover in place, you just give a quarter turn to this plastic plug on the end to hold that cover in place. Now you do have the option to replace that plastic plug with a Thule lock cylinder, and these lock cylinders are sold in multiple packs, so you can actually get enough for all 4 of your feet, but also additional for other lockable accessories that you may have with your Thule system. Okay, so those are all the key features of the Thule Evo clamp WingBar Evo base roof rack system. This system can be found in the link of the video description to take you straight to a pre-configured version of this, so that it's just one click. Also, when you receive this system, if you're in need of any assistance with the installation, all the instructions are included, but we also have a supplemental video also linked in the description that can help give you more visual understanding of the process of assembly in more detail than what we've shown here. Okay, so this has been the fit for the 2017 and beyond Ford Super Duty. I'm Paul with rackattack.com. Thanks for watching.